Step number 6, test Joomla backend. So if you recall, in the last movie we have gone and extensively checked out the features of Joomla front end website that is associated with the sample installation data. So let's go back to our browser to check out the backend features. So the backend can be reached by going to your particular website. So type localhost, then truestart.com, and then / type administrator. Make sure the spelling of administrator is all right, so it is this one. Okay, and then hit the enter button. It's going to take you to the backend admin form. Here, if you recall, the super user you have created was true admin with a password of welcome. That's what you've got to give it over here. So give it true admin and password welcome, then hit the login button, and it's going to take you to the backend. Fine. And here it's asking Joomla would like to take your permission to collect some basic statistics. Now it's up to you whether you wish to give that or not, but at the moment I'm going to hit the never button. Again, it's purely your call what you would like to do with it. Alright, and as you could see, it gives a number of information over here, such as popular articles, recently added articles, but that and more other details I'm gonna explore it in a little while later. But at the moment I'm going to go to extensions, and then here I'm going to navigate to something called as database to make sure if at all database is correctly installed. So if at all there are any errors, then it's gonna show the database errors over here. So we have got no database errors over here. If at all you see any errors, you can optionally select those errors and hit the fix button right on top. Okay, then I wanted to see the warnings, if at all there are any warnings. So the warning is maximum PHP file upload size is too small. This is set up in Php Dot Ini in both upload max file size and post max size settings of your PHP settings located in Php Ini or htxs file. Alright, so let's do that right away. So if you go back to your Joomla folder, so this is the Joomla installation. Okay, but apart from that, other folders belongs to your PHP server. Okay, so here in order to look for your PHP, I'm gonna collapse this one, and here you've got to simply scroll down in XAMPP folder, scroll down gradually, and you will see a PHP folder. Right, within that PHP folder, the heart of this PHP folder is a file called as Php Dot Ini file, which contains all the settings for the PHP server. So look at this Php Dot Ini. I'm going to open that in my notepad. Okay, and then I'm going to look for a setting which is over here. What's that? Upload max file size. Look for that. Upload underscore max underscore file size, and that's where it is. So it is only 2 M. Okay, 2 megabytes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change that to, let's say, 16 MB. Okay, so save that and then go back, and here you will see the second one as post max size. So let's look for post max size as well. So that's where you are. It's only 8 M, so I'm going to change that to 16 M. Okay, and hit the save button. In order for the changes to take effect, because it is at a server level, you've got to restart your Apache server. Okay, so you've got to go and open the control panel, and here what you do, stop this service and stop this service as well. Okay, both the services, and then restart Apache service, and then restart MySQL service. In fact, you've got to start or restart only Apache. Okay, so as you could see, it is starting. Okay, both of them are now green. Now you could go back and refresh this page and the warnings will be gone. Look, the warnings are gone. So basically that's how you go about opening the php dot ini file and making change to the settings which were shown in the warning. Okay, now you can explore further to install languages. So optionally you can use this form to install additional languages. Alright, so in the next movie let's continue this discussion further, and I'm going to further explore other Joomla backend features.